What is going on, guys? Kyle with Finance Pro here. Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are all having an amazing day today. We're talking about Shiba Inu in today's video, guys, and we have a lot of different pieces of news that I want to go over and discuss. Guys, there is a lot going on with Shiba Inu today, and I think overall it's just a really good day for the overall community. Today is, of course, the Super Bowl here in the United States, which is almost as pretty much a holiday at this point. There's a lot of stuff going on with crypto this weekend. We know a lot of crypto commercials are planned to be scheduled for, of course, the Super Bowl, and a lot to discuss, guys. But without further ado, let's get into those news updates. As you can see, Shiba Inu, the token, the official Twitter account, as you can see, verified, has hit 2.8 million followers. They released a little thank you saying, "Thank you, hashtag Shib Army." A new milestone for our @Shib token Twitter account has been accomplished. Today we reached 2.8 million friend Shibs. And then as you can see, there's this kind of cute little video that they created with a little world and all of the kind of graphics and stuff like that. This is cool, and this shows that the community continues to grow every single day, guys. And again, these mile markers of every time we hit a new goal as far as new followers that are being gained, it seems like we're hitting these more and more and more. We're seeing this continue day after day after day, and it makes me very excited to see how much more growth we're going to see likely in the future with Shiba Inu Coin. Now, really quick, guys, if you haven't already, I really want to recommend you join our private Discord. Again, the benefits you get with this include one-on-one interactions with us in the Discord and the Patreon. You also get our daily crypto alerts, which include our buy alerts, basically when we are buying. Also includes first look at new cryptos that we are personally looking into. This also includes crypto market strategies and updates and articles and information that we come across that we think that you guys might find useful. So if that sounds interesting, hit that second link down in the description below. Get signed up, guys. We get new members logging on every single day, and again, it's just an amazing community to be a part of. We're calling out amazing plays in there that have gone 50, done crazy stuff, crazy numbers, and I think you guys really enjoy being a part of that. So make sure you join up if you haven't already. Quick recap on where Shiba Inu is at today. Huge little pump up here in the very early hours in the morning, around 5:45 a.m. We saw a almost, let's see, this is a 10% pump, and we're still pumping as this video is being made. If we go into trading view here, as you can see, guys, we have kind of broken out. This actually triangle was unfortunately broken. This pattern was not really playing out the way most people were expecting, but now we're seeing that upward trend still very much intact, right? We're still seeing a lot of momentum towards the upside. We're seeing a lot of support at these higher levels, which is a really good sign that Shiba Inu could be able to push itself further to those higher price targets sooner rather than later. And I like the way that most of the crypto markets this morning are moving to begin with. We can go look at some of the larger coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a bunch of others. As you can see, still above 42,000 on Bitcoin. Ethereum still doing pretty all right. Most of everything's in the green today at just about 1.48%. The overall markets are there. So again, I think that the movement that we're experiencing today is overall pretty good, and it's not something that I am too worried about. I would love to know your guys' thoughts in the comments below. Let's get into some news though, guys. So first things first, Milkshake is trying to get verified on Twitter. As you can see, hey, @verified, send me a DM. If you guys don't know who Milkshake is, or Shiba Inu art, this is basically a person who is very into the overall Shiba Inu art. That's kind of how they started out, basically just reporting on news on Twitter, and now they're actually part of the dev team themselves. They're actually kind of working, I know it says not a dev, but they are working kind of closely. They've had a few meetings with the dev team and basically trying to get kind of new things off the ground and work with them. And again, just very popular account either way, guys. Also, this is interesting. This talks about the price of land in the Shiba Inu metaverse, guys. This is something that a lot of people have questions about. And here's the first thing. Reminder, Leash provides exclusivity for the ecosystem and future releases. It will allow early access to the queue system and upcoming lands in the metaverse for Shiba Inu. It also is held by some of the strongest supporters from the Shiba army. And then up here it says prices for lands have not been disclosed, and for those who keep asking, it's a Shiba Inu metaverse. Our ecosystem shines always together. Yeah, of course. Okay, so that's the other thing too that I want to mention is that I hate the way that some of those Twitter accounts like to phrase certain things. Like they can't just answer the question. They have to have this weird rally cry with everything they say. Just a personal thing. It's not meant as this awful terrible thing. It's just my personal thing. But again, guys, we have this, right? Shiba Inu is supposedly creating a metaverse, and we know that this is something that will likely really drive overall growth for Shiba Inu in the coming future. And I'm very excited to see how that's going to play out for them overall. Now, of course, we know about Decentraland, we know about Sandbox. Those are obviously two very incredibly popular metaverses that have done quite well for themselves over the last couple of months. Now, Shiba Inu, of course, presenting itself as a potential metaverse opportunity, I think is a very good sign of overall growth to not only the metaverse industry, but also we're likely going to see a lot of growth there with Shiba Inu. Now, the real question here, that I'm sure most of you want to know, is that will this affect the overall price of Shiba Inu? Will this be something that is a very positive catalyst for Shiba Inu? Are we going to see, this kind of really good movement towards the upside as far as once the metaverse is fully, established basically and released? That remains to be seen. We kind of have to see there, guys. And again, it says down here, to be clear, Shiba Inu is primarily classified as a meme-inspired token. However, it should not be taken any progress, or it should not be taken away that any progress the project has made with respect to its metaverse intrusion through Shib. Some plots of virtual land were made available for purchase this week through Leash tokens. So if you guys hold Leash, if you guys have those Leash tokens, you can basically purchase land within the metaverse, guys, which again, if you purchase land through the metaverse, that is basically like buying real estate. Potentially you're able to flip that land for higher profit. You're able to build things in the metaverse. I believe, again, it's kind of all being built as it's kind of rolling out, right? This is kind of a process in motion. We're kind of not seeing everything to full fruition until it actually kind of comes to be, but I think that that's very exciting to see what that metaverse is going to hold for everybody in it, and of course the holders. Let me know if you are going to be in the metaverse for Shiba Inu. Let's go here though, guys. Shiba Inu price prediction: is there a weekend hike incoming? What to look out for? This was posted on February 11th, guys, and you know what, I think they were right, because as you can see, Super Bowl Sunday just this morning, we have a huge pump towards the upside, about a 10% pump right here at that level, guys. Very exciting to see. And again, it talks about those overall technical factors. Now, we did actually fall out of that bull flag that they are kind of basically highlighting in this little image right here. I believe I can open the new tab. As you can see, that was their overall target up here at the higher kind of level around the 4300 level to almost kind of the lower level of 3900. We aren't really at that level quite yet. We're still hovering around the 31 level around here. We're forming currently a red candle. Hopefully we can start to consolidate again, form another bull flag, and have a way more bullish pattern to push us towards those upside highs that everybody keeps talking about. Again, we will have to see how that plays out though, obviously. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think either way. And also, guys, if you haven't already, I really want to recommend you pick up a free stock with the first link down in the description below. You guys can do that, of course, with public.com. Public.com is a social investing network app that allows you to see what other people are buying and selling in both the stock and the crypto markets. You can see our personal portfolio and what we're buying and selling. Plus, when you guys use our link, you have the potential to get a free stock that could be worth up to $300. Just the other day when I was opening some of my free stocks, I got $300 worth of Amazon literally live on camera, and of course I freaked out. You guys could potentially get that too, so why not try your luck and hit that first link down in the description below and get signed up with public.com. But other than that, guys, again, crypto's moving very well today, looking like everything is going kind of according to plan. We're seeing a little bit of a pullback here on Shiba Inu. Hopefully we don't go red into the later part of today, but I think the Super Bowl will create enough hype and everything around that where that shouldn't be a problem either way. Make sure you guys hit that like button and the sub button, guys. But other than that, that's all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance, bro. Take it easy.